Hi viewers, welcome to Crazy Crochet Work. In today's video, I present to you some beautiful crochet ladies handbag designs model. Let's start the video. Crochet ladies handbag designs vary widely from simple and elegant to intricate and decorative. Here are some popular styles. Tote bags, spacious and versatile for daily use, often made with sturdy pieces like single crochet or half double crochet. Cross bags, small and elegant for formal occasions, often decorated with beads, lace, or floral patterns. Crossbody bags, hands-free and stylish, typically made with a long strap and secure closure. Bucket bags, casual and trendy, usually feature drawstring closures. Granny scarf bags, made by joining colorful granny scarves, perfect for a boho check look. Backpacks, functional and stylish for casual wear, often made with travel yarn and lined for extra strength. Market bags, Miss style, great for shopping or beach outing. Lightweight, it's paintable. Here are some creative tips to make your crochet handbag unique and stylish. First, choose the right yarn. Cotton yarn is durable and holds shape well. Jute or raffia yarns gives a rustic boho feel. Velvet or chunky yarn creates a luxurious soft texture. Experiment with stitch patterns. Use textured stitches like offal stitch, cable stitch, or popcorn stitch for depth. Try tapestry crochet for color work and geometric designs. Mix different stitch patterns to create a unique look. Add unique handles and straps. Use wooden, leather, or metal handles for a polished look. Create a crocheted strap with reinforced lining for durability. Chain or rope straps add elegance to small handbags. Incorporate embellishments, sew on beads, pearls, or sequins for a glamorous touch. Add crochet flowers, tassels, or pom-poms for a fun, playful vibe. Use buttons or fabric appliques for extra detail. Play with colors and patterns. Try color blocking effect with contrasting colors. Use ombre or gradient yarn for a stunning translation effect. Experiment with stripes, zebrals, or floral motifs. Add lining and pockets. Sewing a fabric lining gives structure and durability. Add zippered or buttoned pockets inside for organization. Use a magnetic snap or zipper closer for security. Try different shapes, go beyond rectangles, make round, hexagon, or heart-shaped bags. Use granny squares or hexagons to create a patchwork style bag. Make a fold-over cloth with a flap for a chic look. Use reinforcement for durability. Stiffen the base with plastic canvas, cardboard or leather to prevent sagging. Reinforce the strap attachment with extra stitches or a small bit of fabric. Add metal feet to the bottom to keep the bag clean and sturdy. Mix materials for a unique look. Combine crochet with leather or denim for a modern touch. Use mimicry or rope handles for a trendy aesthetic. Sew in a clear vinyl or mesh panel for a contemporary design. Make it functional. Add multiple compartments for better organization. Include an adjustable strap to sit between a handbag and a crossbody bag. Add a skirting or hooks inside for easy access to small items. Personalize with monograms and custom details. Embroider in details or a name onto the bag. Use patches, charms, or keychains to make it more personal. Try hand-painted fabric lining inside for a surprise pop-up color. Play with closer styles. Use a wooden toggle, zipper, drawstring, or magnetic snap for security. Create a button loop using a crochet chain. Experiment with flap closures with decorative elements like lace heatsink. Upcycle fabric scraps or old clothes into crochet handles or lining. Use natural fiber yarns like jute, hemp, or organic cotton. Thank you so much for watching this video. Subscribe our channel. Happy crocheting!